Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced a high-powered six-member task force headed by Infosys co-founder Nandan Nilekani to recommend reforms aimed at making India's examination system leak-proof. In a video message posted on Instagram, the Prime Minister said that the government would implement the panel's recommendations to create a trustworthy examination system and ensure greater transparency through the use of technology. The announcement came a day after the 36 days agitation led by Cockroach Janata Party ended following the resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. The protest received support from thousands of students across the country and opposition parties. The agitation gained momentum after videos showing activist Sonam Wangchuk's deteriorating condition at the time of his fast went viral. On July 18th, police shifted him to Safdarjung Hospital, triggering anger among students and protesters. On July 20th, a march towards Parliament witnessed clashes between protesters and security personnel, with police using lathi charge and tear gas. After 3 rounds of talks, the CGP and the government reached an agreement, following which the government accepted the group's demands and the CGP called off its protest. The 6-member task force includes experts from technology, space research, intelligence, education, artificial intelligence and administration. Nandan Nilekani, the Infosys co-founder and chairman, is known as the architect of India's Aadhaar digital identity program through UIDAI. He also played a key role in developing UPI and strengthening India's digital public infrastructure. Nilekani co-founded Infosys in the year 1981 with N.R. Narayanamurthy and 5 others after leaving Patni Computer Systems. He will lead efforts to use advanced technology to make examinations more secure, transparent and efficient. Yes, Somnath. A distinguished space scientist, Somnath studied aerospace engineering at Indian Institute of Science in Bengaluru and completed his PhD from IIT Madras. He served as the chairman of ISRO and as secretary of the Department of Space from 2022 to 2025. He will bring expertise in handling large-scale technology systems for improving the examination process. Tapan Deka, a 1988 batch IPS officer of the Himachal Pradesh cadre. He served as the Intelligence Bureau Director from June 2022 to June 2026. He played a key role in counter-terrorism operations, including those related to the 26/11 Mumbai attacks, the Indian Mujahideen crackdown, and security operations in Jammu and Kashmir and the Northeast. He will help strengthen security measures and examine digital solutions for securing every stage of the examination process, including question paper protection, candidate verification, and result processing. Anita Kharwal, a 1988 batch IAS officer with over 36 years of experience, she served as CBSE chairman from 2017 to 2021 and later as secretary of the Department of School Education and Literacy. She contributed to the National Education Policy 2020 and the National Curriculum Framework. She also faced student protests during the 2018 CBSE paper leak controversy. She will provide expertise in education policy and examination administration. V. Kamakoti, the director of IIT Madras since 2022. Kamakoti led the team that developed India's first indigenous microprocessor, Shakti. He is a member of the National Security Advisor Board and chairs the AI task force of the Ministry to Commerce and Industry. He will provide academic and technical inputs for strengthening the examination system. Amrit Lal Meena, a 1989 batch IAS officer from the Bihar cadre. Meena has over 36 years of administrative experience, including 25 years with the Bihar government and 11 years with the central government. He previously served as Bihar Chief Secretary, Secretary in the Ministry of Coal, and Special Secretary at DPIIT. He will contribute his expertise in logistics and administrative management. The task force has been assigned the responsibility of recommending reforms to create a secure, transparent, and technology-driven examination system. So viewers, What's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.